Hello everyone, welcome to Wright State. Now today we want to introduce you to a platform we use here called Engage. Now Engage is a software we use to make known student organizations and events happening on campus. Now any event that you would want to go to, whether it be fall, spring, or summer term, will be posted on Engage. You will want to know how to sign up for Engage, one, to know about the events, but two, to also join the student organizations. You can become a member of many student organizations such as the Indian Student Association, Chi Alpha Association, you have volleyball club, or something like an esports club. We have anything that you can imagine is going to be on Engage. So here's a short video of how you can sign up and get involved with Engage.
Hello everyone, I am going to show you two ways how you can sign in to Engage. First of all, you can go to wright.edu and you can go campus life, and from here you'll find student activities and organizations. You can click here and you can go to the bottom. You will see here what is Engage. So you can go to the Engage website directly by clicking here, and then you will find this page, and then you can go sign in. After that, they'll ask you your campus username and your password. So every one of you have your campus password, your username, so you can sign in by that, the way I'm doing it. So I'm signing in. So this is the Engage. So this is the home page, and from here you will find a lot of events, and specifically if you want to join any organization, you can come here, you can click here, and after that you will find all the organizations here. Not only that, if you have any particular organization you're looking for, you can search it, like Indian Student Association. See, I already got it, so I'll just click here and then I'll hit the join, and then you'll get all your information from the Engage in your email. You can also find Engage directly by typing wright.edu/engage. Then it will take you directly this homepage from where you can get all the informations. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more information from Wright State University UCIE. Thank you very much.